Hey, welcome to the Old Git Does Stuff channel. Today I will share with you Better Than Roast Chicken Surprise, which actually is a Thai-inspired dish with coconut milk and peanut butter. Let's get to it. Hey, I've just got some groundnut oil, palm sugar, fish sauce, half a tin of coconut milk, good tablespoon of crunchy peanut butter, and Thai red curry paste. Literally just gonna chop these down the middle as best I can and put those to one side. There we go. Take the ends off the ones tut. Possibly cut those in half. Put those to one side. Onion, as always take that, not just the skin, but that first outside layer of onion off. It's the bitter bit. We don't want that. Slice it really quite as thinly as you can get it. It's only half an onion. Chilli. There we go. I'm literally just going to cut that up like that. And as this isn't as hot a chilli as I normally use, but always, if you've touched the inside of chilli, don't touch any delicate bits. Don't touch yourself, basically. You shouldn't be touching yourself anyway, stop it. Garlic. It looks like there's two there, so we're going to give those a nice little twat. Get those apart. There we go, the skin comes off lovely once you've twatted them. And the other one. Whoa, that was a big twat, wasn't it? Just cut those up into slices. The lime, I'm just going to roll a little bit to release the juice. Cut it in half, and I'm only going to use half. I have no idea what I'm going to do with the other one. Chicken tip breast. I want tiny little slices, so what I do in the thick end of the chicken is just cut it under and then over so the bits aren't too big. And then as we get further down the breast and the chicken gets thinner, we can just do straight little cuts like that to the end. Right, I'm going to finish this up, wash my hands, and I will see you cooking. I have a screaming hot pan, little bit of groundnut oil, into that the onions. Just going to give these a bit of colour before I do anything else. I'm trying now with a fan over that way just to see if I can keep some of this smoke out the camera. Let's see how I get on. Literally just do these for a couple of minutes. Okay, the onions are exactly how I want them. Into this I'm going to stick a splash of coconut milk. The Thai red curry paste, and I'm just gonna loosen this up and cook it through. Look at that. Now that is starting to look absolutely fantastic. This may want a little bit more milk in there. Look at that. Now this curry paste is now just cooking through in the milk. That's it, and it's time to add the chicken. Winner, winner. Not roast chicken dinner. This dish was actually created while I was talking to my friend Church Life on Instagram. Go and check her out. It turns out she was having roast beef, and I really fancied roast beef, and I made this dish out of all the leftovers I had in the fridge. Right, we're just literally going to cook this through until the chicken's cooked. Touchy actually came up with this title, so if this video blows up, I definitely owe you a meal, Touchy. As I'm so tight, it will probably just be me cooking, but hey. Okay, the chicken's pretty much cooked all the way through now. It will get some more cooking than this, but I just wanted to make sure that it was done enough. Time for the garlic and chilies. And again, just carry on cooking this for a little bit. Also, if I can work out how to put a link to Touch Life's Instagram, I will also put the ingredients below. Look at that. That looks absolutely fantastic now, doesn't it? This really doesn't take long at all. Right. In with the rest of the coconut milk. A dessert spoon of palm sugar. Two dessert spoons of fish sauce, and our heaped tablespoon of peanut butter. Once I've got this together, I'm just going to add the veg and lime, and we're pretty much good to go. There we go. That's all together. Fantastic. Look at that. That's lovely. That chicken's still cooking in there. We are now going to add the rest of the vegetables. This isn't going to be cooked for very long now, because I want the vegetables still nice and crunchy. And if you like what we're doing on the Old Get Dust Off channel, why don't you subscribe? Go on, I dare you. You can do it by whacking my face when you see it appear on screen. And if you like this, why not comment below? I love to see your comments, I really do. There we go. That is now pretty much all together. Squeeze the juice of half a lime. Literally just mix that in, turn the heat off. This is a stir fry. It was cooked absolutely flat out. There we go. That's done. Better than roast chicken surprise. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See ya.